Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Elementary 31 Cooking. Today's lesson might make you feel a bit hungry.
I'm going to cook some great Italian pasta. So while I'm preparing the sauce, your English teacher will take you through today's lesson.
Today, we're going to learn words about cooking. We're also going to talk about quantities, such as much and many. Before we watch a short movie, I'll teach you some vocabulary which may be new to you. To season. This means to add salt and pepper or other spices. To season. Casserole. This is a meal made out of meat and vegetables. Cooks for a long time. Are you ready to watch the movie? We're going to watch two friends, Stan and Charlotte, making a meal.
Can you pass the salt and pepper?
Sure. Are you going to season the meat?
Yes. It needs some herbs too. Is there any rosemary on that shelf?
No, but there's some sage. Will that do?
Yes, we'll need lots of that. Now, as soon as you've fried the onions, we'll add the meat. Are they ready?
Yep, they're perfect. When should I add the garlic?
I usually add it after all the other ingredients.
How much meat shall I put in?
Let's put in half now, and then the rest after it starts to turn brown. When it's all in, we'll add the garlic and wine.
Okay. I need a lot of oil. How much is left?
Oh, there's plenty. How many carrots do you think we'll need?
As many as you can find. We need lots of vegetables. Do you think the casserole will be ready before everyone arrives?
Well, it needs 3 hours to cook, so we've got lots of time.
Charlotte and Stan are cooking. They season the meat. What else do they need to add?
It needs some herbs too.
It needs some herbs. Some. Charlotte could also say, needs some salt. Needs some water. Here's another way of talking about quantities. We'll need lots of that. Lots. Which is more? Some or lots of? Lots of is more than some.
It smells great. Holy crap.
Let's watch two clips from the movie. Why do we sometimes use many and sometimes use much?
How much meat shall I put in?
How many carrots do you think we'll need?
Much. Many. How much meat? How many carrots? We use much with meat. We use many with carrots. Let's talk about why. We use much with uncountable nouns. This means we can't count them. For example, money, bread, water, milk. We use many with nouns we can count. Carrots, eggs, apples. Here are some examples. Eggs. Eggs are countable. How many eggs shall I put in? Milk. Milk is uncountable. You can't say milks. How much milk do you want? Money. Money is uncountable. I don't have much money at the moment. You can't say money's here. Now it's your turn.
Very good. Oh, 1 second. The pasta is ready.
Choose many or much to fill in the gap. Many tourists in Rome. Let's do another. That's right. Jane has many friends. We've got time for one more. How much milk do you take in your coffee? Well done! Today we've learned words about cooking. We've also talked about quantities such as lots, some, much. We use much with uncountable nouns such as money and milk. Many. We use many with countable nouns such as eggs and apples. Great! Join us again soon for another lesson.
Buon appetito!